Hi students, good morning. How are you? Are you doing well? Okay. So now continuation of in physical chemistry pH problems. Last time I explained pH means negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is known as a pH. So last time I given one problem and another problem. Okay. So compulsory remembering pH, log 1 value, log 2, log 3, log 4 and log 5 also. We know log 1 value always 0, log 2 value 0.3010, log 3 value 0.4771, log 4 value 0.6021, log 5 value 0.6990. Okay, next another problem, second problem. Calculate the pH value of 0.05 molar H2SO4 solution. H2SO4 solution. Here M means molarity. So calculate the pH value of 0.05 molar H2SO4 solution. Here, so H2SO4 produces how many ions? 2 H plus ions. Generally, H2SO4 produces 2 H plus and SO4 2 minus. Generally, they given 1 H plus concentration. 1 H plus concentration equal to 0.005. That means simply 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. But 2 H plus ion concentration equal to 2 H plus ion concentration equal to 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. That means 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. That means 10 to the power minus 2 molar. Any? So 0.05 molar H2SO4 solution concentration finally 1 H plus concentration 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. 2 H plus concentration means 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. That means 2 into 5 10. 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 2. Simply 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. That is total H plus concentration. Total H plus concentration. Okay. After that we know pH. So next pH. After that next pH equal to minus logarithm of H plus concentration. pH equal to minus logarithm of H plus concentration. That means substitute the value minus log of value 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. Next one log 1 plus log 10 to the power minus 2. Here base 10 will come. Finally log 1 value 0. That means 0 minus log 10 to the power minus 2. Log 1 value 0. Next minus 2. So minus 0 plus 2. So final value how much? Plus 2 value. Okay. So 0.005 molar H2SO4 solution pH value how much? Plus 2. So that is a H2SO4 solution pH value. Next another one is problem number 3. So problem number 3. Calculate the pH value of 0.01 molar NaOH. NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Here base given. Before two problems I given only acids, but here base. Here base means how can calculate pH. One formula is there. pH calculated by using H plus. Here H plus not there. According to ionic product of water from ionic product of water, generally H plus concentration and OH minus ion concentration equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. moles per liter square. That means simply 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. H plus into OH minus concentration equal to. Here OH minus concentration. In this OH concentration how much given? Here OH concentration how much given? 0.01. That means 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So simply H plus into 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. After that we can calculate H plus. pH value depends on the H plus. So they will give acid concentration means pH value calculation easy. Sometimes they will give base concentration. By using base concentration, how can calculate pH value? From the base concentration, we can calculate H plus concentration. How H plus concentration? From ion product of water, H plus concentration into OH minus concentration equal to 1.01 into 10 to the power minus 14. Substitute the value OH, we can calculate H plus concentration. After that, H plus equal to, so H plus equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 by 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. Finally, 1 into 10 to the power minus 12. 10 to the power minus 12, that is H plus concentration. After that, so pH equal to minus log of H plus concentration. That means minus log of H plus means 1 into 10 to the power minus 12. So minus log 1 plus log 10 to the power minus 12. Log 1 is always 0 equal to minus log 10 to the power minus 12 minus 12. So that means simply plus 12. So 0.005 molar. Okay, 0.001 molar NaMH solution. pH value how much? Plus 12. Plus 12. That is a pH. Plus 12. So that is problem. So this problem I will say another model. This problem I will say another model. So these are okay. 12 came. So same problem, another model, another way or another model. We know they given OH minus concentration 0.01 molar NaOH. Here OH concentration simply 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. 1 into 10 to the power. We know these are OH concentration. Like acid base also POH is there. POH equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration. Same problem, another model. Same problem, another model. POH equal. I am explaining same problem, another model. I am before model. Same problem. Before I explained one model, second model. Your wish. Anyone answer same will come. Same problem, another model. OH minus okay. 1 into 10 to the power. POH equal. Like that H plus POH. POH equal minus log OH minus. Minus log of OH how much? 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. That means minus log 1 plus log 10 to the power minus 2. Log AB equal to log A plus B. After that log 1 will always 0. Minus 0 and minus 2. Minus into minus plus. So plus 2. That equal to POH. Plus 2 equal to POH. Next one is pH plus POH equal to 14 at room temperature. pH plus POH equal to 14. We want pH. Already pH calculated. So pH equal to 14 minus POH. That means 14 minus 2. So answer 12. Any model same. Any model same. Okay. Anyway, so pH value of 0.01 molar sodium hydroxide solution is how much? 12. I given two models, your wish. First model correct and second model also correct. Okay. So these are by using bases. From the bases, they will give base concentration. They will give base concentration. How can I calculate pH? So this model. Okay. And another fourth problem. Calculate the pH value of 0.05 molar barium hydroxide solution. Barium hydroxide solution. Calculate the pH value of 0.05 molar barium hydroxide solution. In this case, barium hydroxide base. Generally, 1 OH concentration given how much? 0.05 molar, that equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 molarity. But barium hydroxide produces a strong base. Barium hydroxide produces Ba2 plus and 2OH minus. How many OH minus? So 2OH minus. Here 2 into OH minus. 2OH minus concentration means, that means 2 into 1 OH how much? 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. That means 10 into 10 to the power minus 2. That means 10 to the power minus 1 molar. These are base concentration. 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 2. That means 2 into, they given 1 OH concentration. But barium hydroxide contain how many OH? 2 OH groups, 2 hydroxyl groups. So multiplied with this value. 2 into this value. So 2 OH minus 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 2. So 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 1. So these are OH concentration. We know simple formula. So OH concentration means we can calculate POH. Your wish, any model. Before I given two models, second model I am following. Next one is POH equal to minus log of OH minus concentration. POH equal to, after that, so POH equal to minus log of OH means how much? 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 minus log, here based on log 1 plus log 10 to the power minus 1. Log 1 value 0. So log 10 to the power minus 1. So finally plus 1. POH plus 1. They asked barium hydroxide solution of pH asked. After that, so pH plus POH equal to 14. After that, pH equal to 14 minus POH. That means 14 minus 1. So answer 13. So 0.05 molar barium hydroxide solution. pH value how much? 13. So 13. So it is a one type of problem. So here, how can calculate pH value from the acids and from the bases? Okay, these are pH and POH. Okay, write down. Next, another concept. Ionic product of water. Ionic product of water, it is denoted by symbol Kw. The product of concentration of the acid, the product of the concentration of acid and the concentration of a base in pure water at any temperature is known as ionic product of water. The product of concentration of the acid, the product of the the product of concentration of acid and concentration of base, H plus ions, and acid means H plus ion, base means OH minus ions, in pure water at any temperature. At any temperature is known as ionic product of water. Simply, the product of concentration of H plus and concentration of OH minus ions in pure water at any temperature is known as ionic product of water. Write down definition. The product of concentration of H plus ion and concentration of OH minus ions in pure water at any temperature is known as ionic product of water. It is represented by, it is denoted by symbol Kw. Generally, at room temperature means at 25 degrees centigrade. 25 degrees centigrade means 298 Kelvin temperature. Kw value, Kw equal to H plus into OH minus. That equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 14 moles per liter whole square. At room temperature, ionic product of water value how much? 1.0 into 10 to the power of minus 14 moles per liter square, or moles square by liter square. That is ionic product of water. The product of concentration of H plus ions and concentration of OH minus ion in pure water at any temperature, at any temperature is known as ionic product of water. It is denoted by symbol Kw. At 25 degrees centigrade or 298 Kelvin temperature, Kw equal to H plus into OH minus equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 14 moles per liter. Ionic product of water depends on the temperature. Ionic product of water depends on temperature. When temperature increases, ionic product of water value also increases. Simply, ionic product of water Kw value depends on the temperature. Increase the temperature, ionic product of water also increases. So ionic product of water depends on the temperature. And another one is at 25 degrees centigrade or 298 Kelvin temperature in pure water or in aqueous neutral solution. In aqueous neutral solution, simply H plus concentration equal to OH minus ion concentration equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 moles per liter. H plus concentration equal to OH minus concentration equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 moles per liter. Okay, so these are one of the point. And another one is at 25 degrees centigrade, pH plus pOH equal to pKw. pKw means how much? 14. Simply pH plus pOH equal to 14. pH plus pOH equal to 14. pKw means generally pKw equal to minus log Kw, that means 14. pKw equal to so pH equal to minus log H plus, like that. pKw equal to minus log 14, that equal to value how much? 14. Simply pH plus pOH equal to 14 already. So these are, don't forget, pH plus pOH equal to 14 or pH plus pOH equal to pKw. pKw equal to minus log Kw, that means so 14. So it is a ionic product of water, like that, ionic product of water. So ionic product of water means the product of concentration of H plus ions and concentration of OH minus ions in pure water. Another simply 1 mole of pure water. 1 mole of pure water is known as ionic product of water. It is represented by symbol Kw. Depends on the temperature. Simply ionic product of water definition, another definition, the product of concentration of H plus ions and concentration of OH minus in 1 mole of water is known as ionic product of water. So simply ionic product of water denoted by symbol Kw. Simply Kw equal to H plus concentration into OH minus concentration, that is correct. Or H3O plus, it is of acidic nature, into OH minus ion concentration. Anyway, that equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power of minus 14 moles square by liter square. So in acid solution, in acidic solutions, H plus is greater than to 10 to the power of minus 7 molar. In basic solution, OH minus is greater than to 10 to the power of minus 7 molar. In acidic solution, H plus is greater. That means simply in acidic solutions, H plus ion is greater than to OH minus ion concentration. Or simply OH minus ion concentration is greater than to H plus ion concentration. Anyone correct? In acidic solutions, so H plus is greater than to 10 to the power of minus 7 molar. Okay. In neutral solution, I will explain. In neutral solutions, H plus concentration equal to OH minus ion concentration equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 molar. Molar means molarity. In acidic solutions, so acid concentration more. H plus is greater than to 10 to the power of minus 7 molar, or H plus is greater than OH minus. In acidic solutions, solution is acidic, so base concentration less compared to acidic. In acidic solution, H plus is greater than to 10 to the power of minus 7 molar. The H plus concentration is greater than to OH minus ion concentration. In basic solution, OH minus ion concentration is greater than to 10 to the power of minus 7 m, or OH minus concentration is greater than to H plus ion concentration. In neutral solution, neutral means salt. In neutral solution, H plus concentration equal to OH minus concentration 10 to the power of minus 7 molar. So these are pH concept to acidic and basic solutions. So these are acid and bases. And another one is already given, pH equal to minus logarithm of H plus concentration, negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. pOH equal to negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. Okay. Dear students, following, don't confuse, all are easy. We know pH equal to minus log of H plus. pH is inversely proportional to, minus means negative, inversely proportional to acid concentration. If solution is diluted, if the solution is diluted, concentration decreases. Concentration decreases means pH value increases. That means if solution is, if acid solution is diluted, dilute means adding the water. If solution is diluted, concentration decreases. Concentration decreases means pH value increases. That means if aqueous solution of if an aqueous solution of acid is diluted, if an aqueous solution of acid is 10 times diluted, 10 means log 10 value 1. That means 10 times diluted, pH value increases by 1 unit. So, if an aqueous solution of acid is 10 times diluted, if an aqueous solution of acid is 10 times diluted, pH value increases by 1 unit. After that, if an aqueous solution of acid is 100 times diluted, then pH value increases by 2 units. Because log 100 value 2, log 10 value 1. Because pH is inversely of concentration of H plus ions. Anyway, if an aqueous solution of acid is 100 times diluted, so then pH value increases by. So diluted means concentration less. Concentration less means pH value increases. If an aqueous solution of acid is 100 times diluted, so then pH value increases by 2 units. Okay, and last one is, and the third case, the first case is second case. After that, third one is, if an aqueous solution of acid is 1000 times diluted, then pH value increases by how many units? 3 units. So that means 3 units. So these are another point. If an aqueous solution of acid is 1000 times diluted, then pH value increases by 3 units. So these are pH and acid, pH and POH concepts, ionic product of water. So these are pH and POH concepts. So generally pH and POH, simple formulas once again. pH equal to minus logarithm of H plus concentration. Write down these are formulas also. Okay. POH equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration. Okay. pH plus POH equal to 14 or pKW. Okay. Next one. Kw equal to H plus concentration into OH minus concentration, 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 14. So moles square by liter square. Kw means ionic product of water. Kw means ionic product of water. What this point is very important. After that, once again, in acid solutions, H plus is concentration is greater than 10 to the power minus 7 m. Once again points. In acid solutions, in base solutions, in basic solutions, OH minus ion is greater than 2, 10 to the power of minus 7 molar. Minus 7 molar. Okay, last one is in neutral solutions. In neutral solutions, H plus concentration equal to OH minus concentration, that equal to 10 to the power of minus 7 m. M means molar or molarity. Okay, so dear student, these are different types of, so in physical chemistry, so next pH and pOH. After that, next one is next class salts. After that, after the salts, I will give some formulas in organic. After that, next week I will start. Next week I will start a very very important, excellent lesson, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry very important in objective, very very important for objective exams and intermediate also. Organic chemistry, alkanes like that. Organic chemistry next week I will start. So organic chemistry very important. So much basic knowledge is there. So much basic points in there organic chemistry. Anyway, so what I am explaining these concepts once again. Dear students, writing notes. So write down all formulas, very very important. Okay students, today enough. Remaining class tomorrow I will give I will explain salts and some inorganic chemistry formulas, washing soda, baking soda, like that. I will give some formulas also. After that I will start organic chemistry. Okay students, today enough. Thank you for all.